Right now, a machine in your house is doing something humans did by hand for thousands of years. No pain, no blisters, no hours by the river, just a button. But it wasn't always this easy. It started with a wooden tub, a pair of aching hands, a daily struggle. This is the story of the machine that saved millions of hours. This is the evolution of the washing machine. 1800, before machines. The year is 1800. Washing clothes means hours of scrubbing by hand. Women kneel by rivers, beating fabric against rocks and wooden boards. It's exhausting work, and it happens every single week. 1851, the King drum washer. James King patents the first drum washing machine, a wooden barrel that spins by hand crank. For the first time, a machine, not just hands, does the scrubbing. 1858, Hamilton Smith's rotary washer. Hamilton Smith improves the design with a rotating drum. Clothes tumble inside instead of being scrubbed by hand. It's still hard work, but it's a little less painful. 1874, the Blackstone machine. William Blackstone builds a machine as a birthday gift for his wife. A simple wooden tub with a hand-turned crank and paddles. It becomes one of the first machines sold for home use. 1908, the Thor, first electric washer. Alva Fisher invents the Thor, the first electric washing machine. No more turning a crank by hand. A motor does the work now. Laundry day is about to change forever. 1911, the Upton Machine Company washer. A small company called Upton Machine Company starts building electric washers. This tiny company will one day become Whirlpool. The washing machine industry quietly begins to take shape. 1922, the agitator washer. Engineers introduce the agitator, a paddle that pushes water through clothes. It cleans faster and more evenly than tumbling alone. This simple part will stay in machines for the next 90 years. 1937, the Bendix Automatic. Bendix releases the first fully automatic washing machine. Wash, rinse, and spin, all without a person touching a single dial. For the first time, you can start it and simply walk away. 1947, the post-war boom. World War II ends, and factories return to building appliances. American families rush to buy washing machines for their homes. The wooden washtub starts disappearing from kitchens forever. 1953, the GE top-loading automatic. General Electric releases a sleek top-loading automatic washer. It becomes a symbol of the modern American home. Doing laundry is no longer a full day's chore. 1957, the combo washer dryer, GE, introduces a combined washer and dryer in one single machine. Wash and dry clothes without moving them at all. It's ambitious, but not quite perfect yet. 1960s, the coin laundromat era. Coin-operated laundromats spread across American cities. Not everyone can afford their own machine, so they rent one by the hour. Laundry becomes a shared, social part of daily life. 1970, electronic controls arrive. Washing machines start replacing mechanical dials with electronic buttons. Precise wash cycles become possible for the first time. The machine starts thinking a little more like a computer. 1980, the microprocessor washer. A tiny computer chip is added inside washing machines. It automatically senses load size and adjusts water levels. The machine isn't just powerful anymore, it's smart. 1996, the high-efficiency front-loading washers return, using far less water and energy. They spin faster, clean better, and cost less to run. Saving the planet becomes part of doing laundry. 2010, the Wi-Fi connected. Washing machines start connecting to home Wi-Fi networks. You can now start a wash cycle from another room entirely. The laundry room quietly joins the internet age. 2015, the smart app-controlled washer. Samsung and LG release washers controlled from a smartphone app. Get a notification the moment your laundry is done. You don't even need to be home to manage your wash. 2020, the AI load-sensing washer. Artificial intelligence begins optimizing every wash cycle automatically. The machine detects fabric type, dirt level, and load size instantly. It makes better laundry decisions than most humans would. 2030, projected, self-cleaning nanotech fabric care. Nanotechnology coatings begin repelling stains before they even set in. Some fabrics may barely need washing at all. The washing machine starts working before you even notice the mess. 2040, projected, fully autonomous robotic laundry. Robotic arms begin sorting, washing, folding, and putting away clothes. No sorting, no folding, no touching laundry at all. The entire chore quietly disappears from daily life. 2050, projected, waterless molecular fabric regeneration machines may clean clothes at a molecular level using little or no water. Dirt and odor are broken down instantly, fiber by fiber. Washing day might not exist anymore because nothing ever truly gets dirty. From a wooden tub by the river to a machine that thinks for itself, from aching hands to a single effortless button. The washing machine never stopped evolving, and neither will it stop. The next version of clean hasn't been invented yet, but somewhere, right now, someone is already building it. Subscribe, because that next evolution will be there to show you first.